Welcome to the Alphabet Food Factory.
Do we get snacks? First letter. A is for apple.
Look, apples ruling the machine. Juice waterfall. Next letter.
My favorite. B is for banana. The banana ice cream machine is spinning. Bananas are flying everywhere. C is for cookie. I smell chocolate. The cookie will feel exploding. Chocolate chips everywhere. Cookie Ray.
D is for donut.
Chocolate donut incoming. Rainbow donut.
I ate 6 it.
Donut party. E is for egg. Sarah Waterfalls.
Oh, breakfast time. Next letter, friends.
F is for French fry. The French fry fountain is starting. Fry ring.
Golden fries everywhere.
They'll catch that with my mouth.
G is for gummy.
The gummy candy machine is wobbling.
Giant gummy bears.
Rainbow banana.
They are bouncing.
H is for honey.
Honey cake machine activated. Look at the honey river. I am stuck in honey.
Sticky monkey. Bees cake ready. Eyes for
The rainbow ice cream machine is spinning. 7 colors.
I want triple scoop.
Ice cream mountain.
Everyone grab a cone.
J, there is flowing.
Apple juice for explorers.
Flurries. I am surfing the juice river.
Monkey splash. K is for kiwi.
Kiwi smoothie tornado. Monkey has smoothie mustache.
Healthy drink. Cheers. L is for lollipop. The lollipop spinner is spinning.
Giant rain lollipop.
Found a spiral one.
I'm so colorful.
Sweet surprise. M is for milkshake.
The milkshake rocket is launching. Strawberry shake blast. Milkshake fountain. M is for milkshake.
N is for noodle roller spinning. Noodle spaghetti tornado.
Monkey tangle. Noodle star.
Noodle soup ready. Next letter, friends. O is for orange.
The orange juice fountain is starting. Orange waterfall. Monkey is surfing the juice.
Catch a cup, everyone. P is for pizza. The pizza robot is here.
Dough spinning.
Cheese ray. Q is for quinoa.
Quick quinoa snack.
The machine is popping.
Crunchy queen wobbles.
So healthy.
Oh, the candy princess is glowing.
It's rainbow candy.
Candy letters, so candy, so
Sweet rainbow surprise.
S for strawberry.
The strawberry cake machine is baking.
Cake tower.
Strawberry rain hits surging.
big cake party. T is for taco.
The taco robot is dancing. Taco shells flying. Tomato and lettuce. Crunchy tacos. Taco tower.
Delicious taco. U is for unicorn.
The unicorn cupcake oven is sparkling. Magic cupcake.
Robo Fig magical.
So they come now.
V is for vanilla. Vanilla ice cream mountain.
Snowy ice cream.
Sprinkles everywhere. So creamy.
Ice cream party.
W is for watermelon cannon.
Juice explosion.
Pink juice rain.
So refreshing.
Watermelon splash. X is for xylophone. The candy xylophone is playing.
Sweet melody. Colorful notes. Music and candy.
Y is for yogurt.
The yogurt smoothie mixer is
Berry smoothie.
smoothie mustache.
Healthy drink. Y is yogurt.
Last letter, friends. Z. The chocolate machine is making zebra stripes.
Black and white chocolate bars. So cool.
We learned chocolate party Z.
ABC Food Factory.